You like this car?
No. I don't like electric cars. There's no sounds. You cannot feel that sound of thing. I don't like it. Mine will get this one. This is not even fast.
For the rugged. For the rugged. For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the.
Here we have this 2020 BMW X5. Pretty cool car, pretty cool color, but we're about to change it. This one is not gonna get a wrap job. This one is gonna get a full paint job. We're gonna be doing inside out paint job. We're gonna change the color of this car with paint like we used to do back in the days. One reason why wraps are cool, there's a lot of wrap colors, but you're never gonna get that crazy paint finish, that deep look, and you can't get exact colors that you want with a wrap. This is gonna be actually a Lamborghini color, a very special Lamborghini color called Viola Parsifae. So it's gonna be a very special purple color. Customer is ecstatic, super excited. They just bought it brand new, but they really wanted that color. We're gonna be taking it apart. You guys are gonna see this thing go from this blue color to that beautiful Lamborghini purple color. All right guys, we're in the spray booth right here. This is one of two spray booths that we have. PPG, which is factory Lamborghini paint. This is a 3-stage paint. You do the base layer, and then you do the pearl, and then the clear coat. This is pre-cutting, sanding, buffing. So this is just been painted with clear coat. It's gonna go through a dry process now for about 2 days, 3 days. We have some time, so we're gonna let it dry really well. And then we're gonna cut, sand, and buff this thing, make it even shinier. But you guys could already see what the color is gonna look like. It's incredible. Just that metallic purple where it looks light purple, dark purple. One of my favorite colors ever, and we got the opportunity to paint this BMW, so we're excited to show you the end results.
We're gonna go get some rolling shots on this brand new X5 that we just finished. Of course, this is a crazy custom color. It came out beautiful. You guys are gonna love this one, so stay tuned. guys know this Rolls Royce Dawn, really, I mean, it's perfect for great filming, by the way. Very smooth. Camera doesn't move at all. You can literally hold it without the car going all over the road. Very smooth Rolls Royce Dawn. People are looking at us trying to film in this car. They're trying to, I mean, never mind.
What?
I wanted to say people are like looking at us filming with the car like this, but it's okay, never mind.
Long-awaited project complete. Full color change using paint, not wrap like you guys are used to. We don't get to do this quite often anymore. Not a lot of people want to do full paint jobs, more so usually the wraps. However, this client bought this 2020 BMW X5, so brand new car. Sorry, we were interrupted by fans screaming our name across the street. But yeah, 2020 X5M, check it out, full jams, everything. Everything was taken off this vehicle and it was painted properly. So all of it is beautifully done and it's all that beautiful viola color. We did a little blackout as well with the wheels and all that stuff, but that's secondary to this crazy paint job. This is 3-stage paint. So you gotta do paint, you gotta do pearl, and then you gotta do clear coat. All PPG, which is factory Lamborghini paint. So this is as close to Lamborghini you're gonna get. So this customer has this really rare disease and it affects her life tremendously, her whole life. This car, she gave it to us, wanted it purple. Unfortunately, about 10-15 days ago, she had a very bad episode. She was in the hospital for 10 days. It was very bad. She came by and picked up the car. She was telling us about it. She was telling us how she thought she wouldn't make it to see the car. So that hit us really hard. We do this very passionately. It's a business, but we're also very passionate about it. And we're super happy that we could bring some happiness into her life. She was ecstatic when she was with the vehicle and she saw it. Right now it's back for the simple blackout we just did. We're gonna give it back to her. She's gonna take it home permanently. We wish her very well. Hopefully she can get through this and have a really good life. And if we could help her out with something like this, we're more than happy to. So yeah, thank you, Julie. All right, guys, we got this new Tesla Model X right here, dual motor version. So this is the highest Model X you could buy. It also now has this carbon fiber body kit on there. So Tesla's, obviously, as you guys know, electric vehicles, future. There we are modding it. This thing has a front big carbon fiber lip with canards. It's got a big rocker on the sides. It's got a wing and a really dope diffuser. Stock wheels for now. It also has a blackout. These cars go lower on their own, so we have it on low mode right now. Other than that, it's stock. They look really good for an electric vehicle, honestly. This body kit is the second time we did it. We did a forged carbon one before. This is actually carbon fiber. Really good quality. Goes on pretty easy if you know what you're doing. And yeah, add some style to the Tesla. It's like you read a thing and you say, yeah. The Tesla has that in the car. You're gonna do that right now. Come on.
Bro, I can't sing.
You have to.
You sing every day.
He does, right?
Yeah. Come on, man. Okay, you want like hip hop? What do you want?
It doesn't matter. It's
The Old Town Road song?
I don't know any song. The only song I know is to hit him up.
Which?
1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Snoop Doggy.
What are you guys having, a party?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it most together.
What are we doing?
We're gonna sing this Snoop Dogg song. Dr. J and Snoop Dogg.
Sing what?
Snoop Dogg and Dr.
It's
J.
karaoke, look. Karaoke. It reads it to you. You get it?
Okay. So which one you wanna be, Snoop Dogg or Dr. J?
Oh my god.
I wanna be Dr. J.
You have to decide.
Yeah, I wanna be Dr. J.
No, it'll tell you.
Oh, so
he's
you're
blue, you're purple. You're purple, he's blue.
On purple, he's blue.
Yeah. I take you to that candy shop so I can give you my lollipop.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Boy, one taste that. What I got.
You have so much to edit.
Oh my God. It's like it's a race.
You're screwed.
Isn't
Okay, another song.
Volele potor kendo de lome chapatriz.
Okay, it's better than English.
Put something else. Establa lo mundo bom, muéstrame el camino, que yo voy, tú eres el imán ya. Despacito, quiero despacita, a besos despacito. That was great. That was good stuff. Good singing, Sarkis. You could definitely be a singer.
Done deal.
If you put your mind to it.